Hello guys and welcome. If you're seeing this video on YouTube right now, that's because I actually beat the boss in Tier 2, because I am only uploading this if I do. Because I already have a video where I played Tier 2, and I'm just recording every single time I play it, so in case I beat the boss, I will have a recording of it, and I can put it on YouTube. But yeah, if you're seeing it right now, then it means that I actually beat the boss, or I got a really good run while playing this, and I decided to upload it to YouTube, so yeah. I don't know how much the Greed Shrine actually, it says 5% difficulty, I don't know how much that actually is, but I just hit them anyways. I thought I saw a red line, and I'm like, am I by the boss portal? And then I noticed, I looked and I didn't see anymore. I'm like, oh, I'm not. And then I looked and the boss portal's right there. But I'm gonna wait for what's it called? For the first swarm before I beat the boss. Because the first swarm will give me a lot of levels, and that will help me beat the boss. So, if I get a lot of levels from the first swarm, I might even spawn the boss when the swarm is happening, then I will spawn it. But I want to wait for the first swarm first. Unless I get a lot of levels before the swarm. Gold skeleton. No, why did it have to fall down there? I don't want to take fall damage. Dang it. What does this do? Oh, it's the thing that killed all the enemies. Magnet! Yay! Level 8 right now. Dang it. I should have saved that clock for the swarm or the boss. Aw, oh, dang it, there's a mini boss! This sucks. I'll probably beat him pretty fast though. Oh! Okay, the time thing is up. The clock. Yeah, I can beat him. This mini boss is easy. Level 10. I feel like the swarm is gonna happen pretty soon though. It hasn't happened yet. If it doesn't happen in a little bit, I might just leave. Or not. I might spawn the boss. Okay, yeah, the swarm's coming. I really wish I had an extra jump. I forgot about that. I should have tried to get it. Yeah, I probably should have tried to get extra jump first before I waited for this swarm. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Oh god. I mean, I might look for it now before I fight the boss. So I could do that. I need to find those things that give you stuff. Don't want to lose the boss. Okay, there's one down there. I hope that I get extra jump. Okay, this is good. Extra jump height. It isn't an extra jump. I might do one more if I can find one, and then I'm spawning the boss because I'm level 15. Good. I'm gonna look for one more. Yeah, there's one down there. I don't want the final swarm to spawn though, actually, so after this I think I'm just gonna spawn the boss and hope for the best. This is good enough. That's good enough. I think I'm gonna spawn the boss now. Get back up? I don't think I should have done that because it didn't take that much damage. Oh god, I don't want him to corner me because that would be bad. Corner me because a bunch of mobs would probably come in the corner and then I'd die. That already happened to me before. So, oh, he's almost dead. Yeah, this was easy. This was way easier than I thought. The final swarm might happen though, so I gotta. Okay, I gotta go. I'm going the boss portal quick. Oh my god! Yeah, I forgot that happened. I'm level 21, so. Yeah, no. I wanna go. Alright, I'm at tier 2, so I might still upload this video. Just because I got here. I don't know what the recommended level is for tier 2, the tier 2 boss. It's kind of impossible. I hope I get extra jumps. Dang it. I don't know if I should start looking for the boss portal now. I mean, I guess I can. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try and look for it now. Thought it was this way. Yeah, ones look like they're going this way, I think, but I'm not sure. Yeah, they're pointing this way. I feel like it would be here. Huh? Dude, I was like full health. I swear. I don't know how that happened. But that was still an okay run, so. I think I'm gonna do that. I don't know why I did that. I just want to refund that. But yeah, I'm still gonna upload that because that was an okay run, and I need more videos because I like uploading videos, even if they're not that good, and I already made ones just like them before. Anyways, bye.